My desk is my whole personality.
I literally study here, I code here, I eat here, I edit, vlog, plan, laugh. I basically live here. So, this isn't just a desk door. This is a tribute to the space which holds my life together. My desk was like this before. It was so chaotic. There was no direct light on the table and it was so depressing to sit here, and it was filled with lot of distractions. Finally, I fine-tuned it to this fine table, which is so good for productivity, no distractions, and I can work literally all day long here on this beauty. So let's get a tour of this beautiful table. Let's go. So this is my laptop. This is the main brain of the whole table. Literally, it holds together everything. My coding, studying, editing, everything starts here. When I sit down, I don't want to decide how to start, I just want to start. Next is my monitor. That changed how my brain feels while working because I hate switching tabs, and obviously I take references. I want another tab to be open always. There was no option for me except to get this monitor. It is the Samsung S3 monitor, by the way. I got it from the student discount section, so I got it for around maybe 7k. It was a steal deal. The best monitor that I have. My keyboard and mouse both are from HP. I love the keyboard. I actually wanted to get a mechanical one, but someone suggest me a good mechanical keyboard and mouse as well. Next is my monitor light for the warm lighting and the vibe and the cozy corner kind of a vibe, which I love actually, because whenever I want to sit on the table, I want it to look good, and I feel like it should attract me to sit at the table and work. So that does exactly the thing. So you have to get it if you want to literally work on your table for more than 10 hours. Next is my iPad, which I absolutely use to animate notes, study for my exams. I love scripting on it as well. Last minute exam preparations is so easy in this because I am a writing and studying person. It's my chair which I use. It is so comfortable and yeah, serves the purpose. And next, obviously, is my god idol. I prefer having god idol near me because it reminds me that there's more to everything. It reminds me to slow down, to breathe, to not make every moment about getting some output. Then comes my plants, candle, sunset, lamp, which I'm shooting with right now. Like the frame, the vibe, super good. You can have it if you want to have colors according to your mood and set the vibe and kind of stuff. You can have sunset lamp for that. Plants, I love having real plants, but I'm having fake ones because again there's no direct sunlight in this room. I know, don't lecture me on indoor plants. See, I can't take care of them like a lot because I'll be having a lot of work and I have to travel most of the time. I assumed because when I was in college, so I couldn't buy that time. But surely if I shift, that house will be full of real plants. I love the green pop of color in my life, so that's one reason I have plants. And the candle is just for the vibe. I love that warmth, heat waves coming from the candle whenever I'm studying, so that is good. Then comes my journal or a book where I put everything. It has my whole life basically. Some days planning my entire life feels literally impossible and I just want to, scribble down, write down what I have in my head. I use it. Cleaning this whole table is a next level of satisfaction. I love keeping it clean. Then I have this jar of coffee candies, which literally helps me whenever I feel sleepy or lethargic. I feed on them basically, and real coffee obviously. And right in my vicinity on my left hand side, I have my shooting gears because I want it in my hand grabbing thing if I want to shoot anything here suddenly, so I can have them. And I have my tripods and Insta360 because I create here too. And right under my table I have my workout mat, to be in my vicinity so that I don't forget working out. And in the cupboard, I have my workout essentials, my workout dumbbells, my mini band, and my skipping goes there. So yeah, I work out here actually into the mirror. So that's just how I do it. I love working out alone in a closed space, not in a gym because I'm not really a gym person. So basically, this whole desk setup came together with a lot of efforts and also a lot of trial and error to make me focus a lot on the work I'm doing and not the things that are kept here. So I had to remove a lot of things. The whole setup was removed because it had a lot of space. It was offering a lot of things that would distract me. So that was a no-brainer, removing that. Thank God this was a detachable table. It's from Flipkart. So yeah, you are a CS student and you wanna have this desk, then you have to get it. You have to manifest it. You have to build it. Tell me, what's one thing on your desk that actually you breathe for, you live for, you love it? That's just my desk setup. But when it comes to digital setup, I use Notion templates, that those are mine. And also I use anti-gravity for coding. I'm trying Olama as well right now with Cloud Code obviously. And for editing, obviously I use Final Cut Pro. That's it. And this is me signing off.